Ever feel like your truck's steering wheel is just lacking? Like it's not quite living up to the powerful machine you're piloting? Well, this technical precision replacement for the 2013 Freightliner Coronado 132 might just be the answer you've been searching for. This isn't just a steering wheel. It's a full kit designed to elevate your driving experience. Imagine gripping a sleek, 18-inch black leather wheel, feeling that premium texture every mile. It's designed to be a direct replacement, and the included black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter means installation should be straightforward, getting you back on the road with a much improved feel. The craftsmanship here is immediately apparent. The leather feels substantial and comfortable, promising durability for those long hauls. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you appreciate the details. The 18-inch diameter offers a great balance, not too small to feel flimsy, and not so large that it feels cumbersome. It's a size that feels just right for a truck of this caliber. The black powder-coated hub adapter is a nice touch, adding a clean, professional look that complements the black leather wheel perfectly. It's clear that technical precision focused on both aesthetics and functionality. Driving with this wheel is a noticeable improvement. The grip is fantastic, providing confidence and control, especially during those tricky maneuvers or when you're navigating rougher terrain. The added diameter can also contribute to less fatigue on longer journeys, which is a huge plus for any professional driver. It transforms the interior from functional to something a bit more luxurious and commanding. It's the kind of part that makes you feel more connected to your truck. For anyone looking to refresh the interior of their 2013 Freightliner Coronado 132, this steering wheel kit is a seriously compelling option. It's a well-executed upgrade that delivers on both comfort and style. Overall, this technical precision steering wheel kit is a fantastic investment for any Freightliner Coronado 132 owner. It's a high-quality, stylish, and functional upgrade that significantly enhances the driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.